Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to override the tax in resettlement. The amount that is paid or deducted as a resettlement amount is subject to income tax calculations. The income tax is deducted by the system during the process of the resettlement calculation. However, you have the option to override the resettlement tax amount for your employee. Once you have processed the resettlement and want to override the tax, on the home page, click Team. Scroll down to Employees, click Directory, click Manage Exit, click the drop-down next to Add Employee, click Resettlement, click the Add Employee drop-down, click Override Tax, click Download Template, update the details and save the file, click Choose File, select the file, and click Import, and your tax override is imported successfully. You will be able to see the tax override amount in the process resettlement report. Please note that the income tax override amount will not be more than the respective month's earnings and will not be less than the computed IT amount. Once the tax override amount is replaced with the system calculated value, there is no need to process the resettlement again. In case you again click Process, the tax override amount will be replaced with the system calculated tax amount. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.